Are you ready?
For what?
Are we doing something fun today?
Yes.
I think we're doing something fun.
Yes, we are.
All right, what are we doing? It's to one of the cars, right?
It is.
It is to one of the cars. What? But what car? Is it the Skyline?
It's the Ford.
Or it's the Raptor?
Yes.
Okay. I'm super excited. What are we doing with the Raptor? Come on, tell us.
Maybe. With the wheels?
What do you mean wheels?
You have to see.
Yeah?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Holy fog lens, Batman! I just literally walked out. That's how humid it is, guys. That is my hand is in front. No, that is how humid it is. Okay, let's go ahead and fix this. It's ridiculous. My camera is completely fogged up. Yeah. Oh, there she is. Oh, she's fogging again. Yeah, boy, that's right. All right, what's going on, guys? It's Black Widow Supra, or I'm sorry, it's Black Widow. I have been meaning to change that name for a while now. Everyone keeps asking me, oh, when are you gonna change the channel name? You know, honestly, I just haven't had the time to finagle with it. I still have to switch up my my monetization stuff, my Google AdSense and all that, so that way I can actually get paid for videos. That's how lazy I am. I just haven't had time to do any of it. I just really haven't. That being said, guys, today's an interesting day because we're in the Raptor. That's right. Everyone wants to know, where's the Skyline? Where's the Skyline? MT got the tuner. It's in the car, and he's in the process of programming it and fixing it and making it tune and run and good. And then we're gonna figure out all the little things that are wrong, fix all those things, so that way we can drive nice and safe and sound. Put an AC compressor. We got a lot of cool things coming your way. So stay tuned on the Skyline. It should be, I would imagine, a week. I would imagine probably a week or less. So fingers crossed, and I'm serious about that. Guys, today officially is Thursday. My guys, we are on our way to go get our wheels. That's right. We picked up a nice set of awesome wheels through a company that you guys might know, might not know. Speed Zone Performance. Huge shout out to my boy Phil and Andrew for helping me, massively helping me out. You guys want anything? We're gonna talk to them about what they sell and all their products. Let's go to the store. Let's go have some fun. Baby, do you know what this is?
No.
What the fuck? What the? It's right-hand drive.
What is it?
What is this thing? Oh my God, it's got an energy steering wheel. Oh my God. Look at this busted ass 350Z. What is this thing? Oh my God. His girlfriend clearly didn't like him. Yeah, that happened. Hey! What's up, G? What's up, Mama? Is Philip right?
Yeah.
Sweet. Sorry, I parked back here because we got the new thingy. Let's go this way. What are we doing? Uh-oh, I see people. I see people. Hey! Look at, oh my God, did you just puke all over yourself?
Yeah, it looks like that, right?
What is this? What's up, G?
What's up, brother? How you doing?
Same shit every
Good.
night.
Your stuff's here.
Yeah, I came from my wheels. I gotta talk to you about one thing though.
What's up?
Guys, we gotta go off camera and we'll be back. All right, my guy's about to show me. My baby. Oh, sorry. I just closed the door on her. That happened. Uh-oh. I see the boxes. What do you guys think we got? Drum roll. That definitely looks like the wheel. Kyle's like, don't put that bitch on, I'll ceramic coat it for you. I'm like, nah.
You gonna have them?
Huh? Hell no.
Have them, sir? No.
Hell no. Guys, you don't ceramic coat your daily wheels. You know why you don't ceramic coat your daily wheels? Because he's about to get some serious mud on them. Ceramic ain't gonna save it from the amount of mud I'm about to put on them.
Never. Waste of money.
100% agreed. Don't cut yourself.
The dullest knife
I was gonna just say, this guy literally has the dullest knife on the planet. And now for a word from our sponsors. Yeah. Oh my God. Huge shout out to the guys over at Speeds. Oh my God. You wanna hold that up to the truck?
Yeah.
You wanna get an idea what that bitch is going? Oh my God. Bro.
Clean.
Bro, that's
Clean,
nasty.
clean.
Truck's over here.
What we got?
We're going over here. Ladies first. Thank you. Babe. Oh, baby. It's kind of like the wheel I got, but not really. It's got more of a beat. Oh my God.
That's gonna look nice.
Bro, that's gonna look nasty. All right, let's do it. Here, all right, the low light on this camera is absolute boo-boo. Like, I gotta stand like behind him. Like, no homo. You guys are doing a brake job and ARP extended studs?
Yes, sir.
Ooh, okay. Now, you know what's, did you know that this is the same brake that's on the R34 GTR?
Is it? No, I didn't know
It's
that.
very similar. It's like the same setup.
That's interesting. No, I didn't know that.
The front actually bolt directly up to the 34.
Could you do a conversion?
Yeah, no, literally, they bolt up. They literally, like, from the factory, that you buy them and they bolt directly up.
It's pretty dope, bro. Actually, I had no idea.
This thing's cool. Check out this 350Z with the Brumbo. Disclaimer, this is not my car. I don't know whose car it is, and I don't know if I should be filming it, but I'm gonna. So I'm gonna walk this way. Guys, the Speed Zone hooked it up, so we got these Method NVs. Let's go get these bitches installed. That's right, because they're wicked busy here. They can't do it right now, so we're gonna run over, because I'm an impatient asshole. That's how it happens. Oh, my girl dropped her mask. What is this? Why are there... Oh, those aren't panties. I don't know what those are. I'm gonna leave those there because that looks nasty. That looks nasty. All right, we're gonna do this. All right, guys. So unfortunately, the guys over at Speed Zone were wicked busy today. They couldn't get my truck in, but luckily, the guys over at Orange Tires they're here to hook us up. They're about to get our Raptor wheels on this bitch. Apparently, the speed sensor's got to swap out. You got to do a couple of things, but hopefully it all works out. Babe, you think it's gonna work?
Yes.
Fingers crossed. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, boy. Boy, look at them wheels. What do you think? Yeah, them fire? For a truck like this, it's gonna look good?
It's gonna look awesome, bro.
Oh my God, bam. Shout out to Speed Zone and South Orange Tire, they hooking it up. Oh my God, your boy getting some wheels. Oh boys. Oh, she looking nasty. Ooh. Just to show you guys the difference. When dude gets out of the way. We got that wheel, which looks nasty, and then that one's just kind of like some boo-boo. But this is great. So what studs are these? The ones that came with it? Oh, okay, we got studs. Now, are these good studs or shitty studs?
Oh, he's the real one, the really heavy duty one.
Oh, that makes the whole front end of this truck. Yeah, I'm so happy with this wheel. Baby, does that make the wheel? Make the truck? Looks a lot better. You agree?
1000%.
Was worth the buck.
Yes.
Guys, believe it or not, these wheels weren't too expensive. We ended up getting the entire set through Speed Zone for about just over $1,000. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome considering it's a Method NV. It's a super lightweight composite wheel. It's it's awesome, and honestly it's my favorite wheel on the Raptor. So shout out to Method. You guys are awesome. Thank you for making such a badass wheel. Holy Volkswagen Batman! Oh, they were quick. They got this in and out. This place is pretty gnarly. You guys get a lot of work done here.
Yeah, look at these.
It's just a random, ooh, there's scraping. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, you know it's low. On a side note, these Raptor wheels, we're gonna actually post up for sale. So if anybody's actually interested, they're brand freaking new. I'm gonna detail them, clean them, and then we're gonna sell them. So if anybody wants the brand new Raptor wheels, let me know down in the comments. My email is theblackWidowSupra@gmail.com. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you want Raptor wheels. I'm gonna sell them probably $1,000. I figure $250 a wheel. Considering at Ford they're probably like $700-800, so $250 a wheel. I think it's fair. I think it's a fair number. Let me know down below. It's not even on the ground. Look at that fitment. Oh. Oh. Look at that wheel. All right, the verdict. What do you think of the new wheels? What do you think? What do you think? Like 1 through 10, like Kyle, they kind of look the same, and then 10's like, oh my God, like cream and panties.
They're a 9.
A 9? Panty creamer! Oh my God, look at this. Now all y'all might be like, oh, but Kyle, those kind of look like the stock wheel. Nope, they tuck out. So the real factor is the OEM wheel is a +38 offset. This is a 0 offset. So the way offset works is the wheel kind of pulls out and in. So the more negative you go, the more in it is. So that's why drifters run like super negative wide wheels, super negative offsets. But they can run like, you can run a 9-inch wheel with like a -13 offset. Like, it's gonna be like, poke it, bam! But this is, I think it's awesome. Babe, what are you doing?
Unloading.
Unloading. Oh yeah, we're gonna unload that stock wheel setup. But guys, my God. All right, on that note, I'm Black Widow Supra. If you like this content, please hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell. Guys, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to this channel. Like, we are doing shit. We got an R34 GTD to GTR coming on the channel. We got crazy stuff. New exhaust, MT fabric, oh, blah, blah, blah. Guys, I'm Black Widow Supra. I will catch you on the flip side. I will see you later. Peace out. Love you all. Fuck off. RIP Turbo, my dudes. RIP Turbo. Deuces.